Okay, y'all, I downloaded Windows 10. I will leave the link for it. I put it on my USB. So I got this for free because one, my Windows 7 Professional is registered. So now, yes, it's 20 January 17th, 2020, and that security notice for they ain't gonna help you anymore and anything. I got that and stuff. So now I'm just breaking down and getting Windows 10 Professional for free. So I'll leave the link down. So let me show you how I put it on my USB. So it says your US flash drive is ready. So now we will click OK. Okay, so let's click OK. Man, my computer running one of them fans is burning hard. Okay, it says ready to install Windows Products. Okay, so it's while installing. Okay, keep personal files. Change what you. Nah, I don't need to. All right, y'all. Y'all ready to install? Hold on. Ready to install. Let's install it. Ching. Oh, let me zoom out. So. Windows 10 installing. Hold on. So that's 3%. So this is going to take. Okay, your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. Installing Windows 10. So it's at 5%. So y'all got to hold on. There it is. It's trying to come boot up. It's have to restart. So your computers will have to restart and go to projector again. Let me fix it. Because my computer always stops at the BIOS system thingy. It says working on. Don't turn off. Working on updates. Your PC will restart several times. So that's what your computer will do. This is why I'm breaking it down. See, we're watching the whole install of this. There it goes. Windows 10 Pro. Still installing. For a good chunk of time. You see the thing swirling around. 30%. Man, this is taking a long time. So it's gonna restart again. I don't know how many times. Still loading. Look at this. Windows 10 Professional. Still loading up. Man, this thing takes a while. Next, whoops. All right, it's at 86%. Almost done, but man, it takes so long. Shoot. There it goes. It says takes might take several minutes. There it go. Don't turn off your PC. Now remember that Windows 10 Professional is being installed. He says these updates help you protect you in any online world. Leaving everything to us. Oh, choose your private settings. So let's go through it. Hold on. Okay, so now we are going to go and say accept. Hey, here we go. Welcome to Windows. So I installed it for free. Let's see. Man, how come they don't have like a tour or something? Hold on. Man, the restart takes a good long while for this thing to restart. But that's it. This installment is some mess ups I did in this video, but not pausing the video and stuff. But that's it. That's installed. Windows 10 Pro free download from Microsoft. I'll leave the link for it.